Tisa ni sato na ndo mwanchi umurigeri bono kero ogendrete kubwati miroberi yonsi yetaseni kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo mugusi ko kwariganira eri ngomanyana raya yankwariganirete asenchera ere yobwekeranu yendrago tonyora sensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube ni gora tonyora wetra Ndizi TV News na bogo tweet wetra @Ndizi TV News fo igogo tonyora se website yaito wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendre gusangana ya mankiretaria ne Evelyn Osero urito kubwatranere kwenekya wikira senseme imanyerero nigakoro kwa Joshua utakori nritangan kegima tigatora nyora egatiari nkwariganeretie asenchirere yobwenge.
Nienda pale mtoto yangu alikuwa analala na ngasudia nkaona ile vitendo amefanyiwa.
Amatego sabobo tukibwabwango ko bwatikana no gosira ko morokyo munene orankenyo.
Paro chengambu ya tokaungana na abande asenge njogo chengera litukeriga tonyako batogo screen chi driver chyoba sombi abantu
abantere baime mu cyobo songo konyoro burinkoryo babusabwa maiso ekero lyari litukoryo go chengero korora
ntoli boso wifi factory bosaigo yotoko genda ekere itakije
tigago chanda aba director abayana mangana umbaso mweno go chiasaba director abakorobe chae. Mwancho muri ribona yo munaenda mankengo kwariganira eri nkumanya senchera ere yobwekeranu amate ya nyagusira lidio nyoni oyorenke omoro kyo munene weskuri abanyaruka yarankenyo oyobete kagosaga nwana goitwa koirera ere gusiro bugima bwaye nigo yaganiro butukibwa bango gokorwa eri bari babete bakubwateraniwa asege korekyo kuimokirwa egetambokero kebwenerete kierichi komoriketo Vincent Onyancha noroboti urwa senchera yobwime.
We can now confirm that it's murder. If anybody wants to challenge it, away from us. And for that reason, we want strongly to demand on behalf of the Church of Nyamira that we want to call upon the intelligence agents to move extremely fast and give us preliminary arrests as early as 6 this evening.
Yamate abasani nabairi amo nabari mukurase kaunti ya Nyamira niko baganire serikali gokora obutuki bwabwango na kubabeka byara bali bamoitete goika kwa omwalimu omunene bw'eskuru y'abaisike yarangenyo Lydia Onyoni.
This issue having happened in the school compound where there are watchmen, where there are workers, where there are students, where there are teachers, we expect the police to give us a preliminary report by 6 this evening. If it were outside, we could be doubting on what really happened. But in the compound, where teachers sleep, where watchmen are many, we are asking the government that they must move fast.
And we are asking the security forces to move with speed and show us suspects, because that is the work of security forces.
Ogoichania nkoribuna omwalimu oyo nigaiteretwe eskurume.
We are not taking this thing lightly. A teacher cannot be killed in the school compound and just we watch and listen and get stories from other quarters.
Maiga yoko mwana gokorwa asenya getari ya KTRH nigekoro kyabuna nigaitetu aso wakwegentegetu otegerwa chinkoma aso motwe negekuba.
From the preliminary reports that they have said that they have established that there were injuries at the head, the chest, that means that somebody ambushed our principal and killed her in the school compound.
Korengana na Lydia nigaichanero goito ku mwanoye nenchera itetune yokobo yabo igo nigaganirio bwene wo mwanoye gotoka.
Ni msanga kubwa kwangu sana. Sina la kusema. Lakini ile kitu nitaweza ulisa. Naomba serikali ifanye ile taweza. Kwa maana nilienda pale mtoto yangu alikuwa analala na ngasudia nkaona ile vitendo amefanyiwa, ile kitendo amefanywa, ingawa inaonekana ni kuwawa amewawa. Sina mingi, ila nitaweza sema serikali ifanye vile taweza establish mauaji ya mtoto wangu.
ekero emeroberio yogochikomwania gendrete koroberegwa okoborigwa nigo kwaruro gochiase serikali kwango yobotuki asaba igoro botirondero ganyire korwa Kisumu erio komanya na Kilidia aitetwe koripoteria Ndizi TV ritene nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Tinga kiechio nigo ekiombe kia barimu ya kupet na kero kio babeire bakugikia egekorekyo na nene komochia ekiombe kyo burendi asogo tango ya obotuki asabaganirie obotuki obugokorwa asobwango kegima erio komanya abo babwatkanete negekoreke igabo igo nigo baganirie abarimu kobekerwa oburendi boisaine anene chinga kibare asobokorerwa bo murike tokorwa se county ya Nyamira job manki noroboti urwa sobuime
Maega yogosira kwa mworokia omonene bwe skuru ya Rangenyo Lydia Onyoni asenchera yobotutukano nigo ekiombege kwegerera obwene bwa borokia kupet kiagikeirie enganejo George Morara oyore omonyakero bo kupet asoro sagia rwa Nyamira nate babunambago kiri asenchera obotuki bogendererete
buna baraiba balimu bekiombege gya kupet ntole no bororo bonene kwetera enchera obutuki obugendete gokorwa ase enchirere ngora mono ntogo chiwanchirana koikoba Nyamira gosikoligereria obutuki botai gokorwa asobwango na bono twata koro mu county commissioner tutagete kumweresa egero obutuki obokorwa ase enchira ya bwango
omoriki bwe kiombe kyo Lewis Nyakweba nate babuna sokorora kwabo nigo omoroki oyu abetega goitwa.
We were able to attend the post-mortem yesterday, and we rule out several other juries, and we want to confirm that as much as we are no doctors, Madam was killed, Madam was murdered. And since then, we want to say that we are not satisfied with the speed at which the security team is moving on.
Mbasa bobo tuki kwango igwa elinde komanya ninki keirerete ogosira kwobogima bwaye
ne tugende ko yamanyanga kiale tole miguchi ngoro cheito Madam gago buna atimoke na ntwe chingoro cheito chitimogete tumanye tubuno bumaene bwarigerigwe na ndo manya bwamanyiru na bali bakolege nteke bairerwe sheria yabekiru ime na basibwa igo torarore buye byara muntu ndubwensi tawene tugoitwa.
We want to demand seriously that the culprits must be brought to book. We want to know who killed Madam, why they killed her, and what they wanted.
It's kind of disappointed because one or two names have been mentioned within the security of Rangenyo girls. And for sure, the security of Rangenyo girls, without saying who and who, should be able to be the first people to say this.
Mbasaba eserikali kobekera aborokia oborendi bwaigoro elinde batware chinga kichinyororo asemeremo yabo.
Noene kunyarikana mu county commissioner atuma baskali balenda abana balende abalimu kera bagende tukorokereria abana egero ndi bwensi okwanira asegenteke ale ntugatia boli wa maswali erese na kiamanyete gose goikeranga kibarenge na Madam omwelio na kiamanyete ekina kyo ekerenge kanene une union buna barai baba mu county ya Nyamira togoboria serikali ya Nyamira county ne serikali enene erigererie
korwase county ya Nyamira ginko reporteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi.
Ritko ria rero nigo riarenge ritko ryo gochengera korora gose World Sight Day awase ewizara yobochenu kobwaterana ne serikali church county nabo igo sector ao baba bakorwa bokoreri bwo korinko ria abantu omaisobosa wakanera gotayo na koba ebirore bali bakonyorekana n'umuchando yo korwase county ya Kisii umurobero nigo korekana ase stage nene ya Kigali awase abante babe Kigali chamatatu baba konyora oborinko ryobwo egento bago kerana wakambia mono asengencho nigo abanki babo baba gokonyeka muri keito Frida Kerubon horoboti urwa senchira yobwagare.
Chitariki 13 omutinyo 10 okera omwaka ne lituko lyo gochengera amaiso gose World Sight Day. Lituko lya lero abonchereria ase sector yobosombi imemo chobosongo anene mono chintereba nigo benyorera obokonyi ase balingorigwana onde bwensi oyotoka no muchando bwa maiso nigo enyorera ebirore bya bosa.
Ase lituko lya lero ekiagera lire lituko lyo gochengera okorora gose site okorora ensengima eneri tukoleri nene mono asense moya maiso
gukwana no munyagitari bwa maiso Daniel Mochere nigo aerera okubwatirana kwa bone serikali nabo igo ababwatani bande ase ogokonya chintereba elikweneki obokoreri obuya chingaki bakorundia eligotanga emebasokano
twaro chengambuya tokaungana na abande government of Kenya kurwali ophthalmic service unit Kisii county government Springfield Optometry Association of Kenya KK Optics and Eslo tugachamo tukaranga mbuya asili tukolia lero asenge njogo chengera litukeliga tonya ko batogo screen chi drivers echi kogenda chigali chi driver chiobo sombi abantu ekiakogera tokoliga chi driver nkora tole chi achali chipara so as Optometry Association of Kenya abara batangani asomorogelio yoga tokaranga mbuya tonyale ko batokoligere lingana naki chi achali goseme bosokaneye ko basipara cheito anda akengoruira asobo kongubwa maiso elinde onyo tokoranga obokongu obunkoru bora asa maiso na litoranya ko batogo advise various government agencies na ande tunyako batoko improve ya sector ye elinde to reduce chi achali echi ase chipara
gukwana negatiye chintereba nigo bagokera omurubiriyo nabo igo obokoreri obuya ase bene kibuna banyorire obokonyi chingaki ekyo boigo nigo bagania abantereba bande gwesokia ase okoringorigwa
ndoja se service twanyorire ase stage tukoria rero ya bere kongo astabana gidali baitu bajigo jari abantereba ase nsemo ya maiso ndoje none birengo twabari egerekero kwa tero kwa maiso kwanya kubiki birore kwa mulikira bagaso moita ase service irengia abantu bari batera igagando jungo konyi mburi gasinga nje birore mburi bakwenana asemine semu ne jabangeri birore
James Mugudhu nigo airanirimbye mono gochese serikali ye county ase okoreta omurubirio obosa nabo igo kwenana ebirore bosa ase boigo agania abantere babande gwesokia ase obunge nabo igo koringorigwa na kwenyorera obokonyi
nafanya na keyboard graphic nimefurahi kupata macho ya bure nashukuru sana serikali ya county
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Abalimi becha ekorwa sense moyo gembo imeye county ya Kisii litkolia lero nigo baumerana na ba director babo eriogo kwanera chinchira ao echibabwente kobe kense mo bninchire mo yogokinia yoseyokinia sector yoburimi bakora wa n'umuteneri wa ba director ombaso mweno nigo abamochia aba director bakoro askeri agotebana nigo bagoswana na nobokoreri wa ba director baya askeri abagani kwerusana nya kurwase emirimo yabo na kubatiga go ikirania obokoreri borobuya gochiase ekemerie kiye cha umurike ito sara nyarangyo ntita na baga wikirana ensemeyo na gutwariganira robotiro kubwatia ora magokaje tagoke bisumu
abalemi korwe zone ya 11 imeye county ya Kisii nabo igaba director ao kurwasi chibunge buna bonchari bumachoge chache bumachoge burabu South Mugrango ngati yaba director baumerana amo nabalimi bechitundubali ao asensemo ya nyaburumbasi gotoka se wodi yabo chitendere county ya Kisii eliwo kwanera igoro yekemelie kyo asenonya nabo engana yaba director abakoro yaegwa obolitomono nabakwani ao banyora libaga nagokwana
aba murabane barake babukana ngatali umweno gana sengi kole chachi ngatali umweno ninchi ngatali liendo ninchi
bagacha kabura abali bararari baro wisi boardroom bakalikalike ebisakara bakabiyeta etia
yunga gisigire jango ligukire mwate binga ekoti tebwati chai
omunyakero gobwe body ase zone ya 11 county ya Kisii ombasa omweno nigo boigo agikeliga tambokero kya ba director bwa bakoro abo baretire obotutukanu gati yabalemi
bali tuarusetio igo bacha chio bisi boardroom bagatanga bona bwa ba director yonko batebya bana ba minto bali mwale ngororo nto banchete lakini kitwa chore tutukae gulibaga turaya abantu ba minto ba abalimi b'echayi inki mutagutigera intu moto elibaga tubarai muna twabaete libaga mugatura engaki goika yogochora mumanye gocha yonko baburia esa maskani kamuranje tigonya mubwate kotoda yeire police murentu na police as a factory lakini goetera magega na mbobe
abalimi nigo baburiwe kugenderera gotore chaengia elyo kwenyorera ligesaligia asebese ya kiro mutienyi na boigo ebonasi
geseto chaka okwana nga moto e chaengia quality tea mogendre to to e chaengia echaye quality tea nere kogera ligoririe itorigende iguru yokoni echaye bono iga echaye ito twanyora nga telikone kabuya gochichise chiaisiko asengenjo ya quality lakini asengenjo mwachakire kolenta quality ere igoro yachakire koneka
asensemo yabalimi nigo bairaneirie aba director bayangambi yamono asemerememi yabako bakorera nakuba mocha bali abakoro asokugania kugenderera kobera abisi
director bayibasoa nabonte tetango mulimi bwego kiri asengiyo bulimi bwaye no nabalimi bande kanya bagechigo ikirenga kiyo gotogorecha na kubeke meteme nebintu binde bairanire iro bulimi basengiyo chibasinge cyakire gocha
director abakoro bachire go famia chi office chi abalimi egendeke twage kanire ntubuna barayi twakiangire twatebirenga kabaranje tigabatiga mangana ayo egera barayi bali bachore tubaro office au batuorokirie enchera nande batoiro borabu bogokonya kemeribi cha bakore gas
okobwaterana nigo koganeirie elyo gokinya ekemerigie chae asabalimi basemiwe gokeburugera na gokerenda asabaigo batebiwe buna obwoyo mboche bwangoiga aserigori iryo mabuko
etoko saba balimi baito batubwate nande babwate sie serikali asenge ya reforms
echaye yenere kemerito bwate muno mugusii kere cash crop ekolenta foreign exchange gendera go keroseria kiegerere keroseri elinde kenyare gotoa chibesa chiaisiko
Sara Nyarangi Ontita Ndizi TV
Tinga kiaro kadire n'abantu abange nigo bagendrete kwerusya bomoyo nigo ebyombe aho bono byachiramo nakobeka emeroberio yo gukora umuchando yo okwana tinga kibamerana asomo buganyo yo moimemo chobosongo Esbon Moronya inseye kiombe kia USAID nigate na ubotukana gosoko unereri wani go kogendrete koene kiwa ase county ya Kisii koirera abange koimukege tambokero kyo kwerusya obomoyo muri Keito Brighton Makori na Manke
Emeroberio nigegendrete kubekwa erigo konya omonto wetenenera asegasi yaye ya kiraritugo bono nigekiombe kia United States Agency for International Development USAID bono kianyare keweso kia gochigo konya abamenyi ase county ya Kisii Baukwana bakorawa no munyakerobo bwe body eyo Dr. Johnny Nyambega nigo banatebiruna nigo baenekiribuna nigo bagochiko ja kyumuroberio yo ase county Kisii irigo konya bamenyi bensemo eyo.
Today we had a special occasion. We met our representatives from the wards. All the 45 wards of the county sent their representatives here. We have shown them what we have done. They have seen our strategic plan for the next 5 years. We have reviewed particular issues that we want to address, gender mainstreaming, inclusivity, aspects of youth, development, and how we can spur growth in our county and make people responsible for what they are doing.
Boigo nigo amenda buna nigo basokirie ebyombe ange 25 ebibirachyo konyika kuruase omoroberio oyo.
They picked 25 constituencies that are operationalizing this. We are part of this big league, and this is a new initiative for the country, and you'll see the results as we progress.
Justin Mabeya nomo riki wekeombekyo oinere nyareka wate abuna emiroberio nigendete kubekwa eryo gochi gocha kyomoroberio ibene ase bagochi korigi bali bagochi kokonya ase omoroberio oyo.
So other than the USAID support, which we will thank God, we thank them for, we're looking forward to reach out to other donor support organizations and and request their support to fund development activities in Kisii County.
Boigo nigateru natali byombe byokabira chikwena chibese kulende bachikoliye njira baranyore chibese cyokonya okwegendereri kwebyombe ebyo.
What we typically call, calls to civil society organizations to seek financial support for development activities that they themselves will generate, manage, and implement.
Asha Esponi Moronya no yomo wabobisa ase kyombekyo yoteruna imeroberio netakire kobekwa eriko genderio moroberio yo ase county ya Kisii.
Today we were here to chart a way forward as key stakeholders of the trust on how best we can implement programs within Kisii County, programs that can transform the lives of our people within Kisii, and we are basically an umbrella organization.
Ronya nigabono atebiruna ebintombire bigendete gokorekana ase orogongo rwa Gusii ebibitakire korigererwa ende binyare bigokorwa erio mu Gusii anyare gakwe gendereria.
A number of projects and provisions that we want to envisage in our strategic planning. Number one, we have issues of social challenges within our community, and as you can see, we have cases of suicide within Kisii. We have cases of domestic violence and harassment among genders, mental health, and those are among the issues we want to address through our programs.
Good reporter Getaseni Candice TV, Ederiane, Brighton, Makori.
Ekine kikegetwe bosi obwekigambiro kya Nyamira no yorenkoriye kirogo kyobochumbe ase bunge ya West Mugrango imeye county yo Rogers Muturi kwa mereria obo wibwaye Steve Mugaka oyobono rumochumbe webunge yo niyo kerachi gochaka gotegererwa omutinyi 12 omwako yega akorawa no munachebi na kiarie ritko lero nigo chiseme chibere ase erie kwa mereria nerie kwa mereriwa baba kumera na erio kobeko koigwana kubwatikana na machiko ari arachiko bwatiwe ase ogotegererwa wekinekyo
pretrial nekero ebintu bikobangwa kinyumba ime amatukarenga kae petition ye koira bintu kibikoborigwa yatokana chi petition iberekire aba wakiri wa Steve Mugaka aba wakiri wa Rogers Muturi naba wakiri wa IBC baigwana na bintebi mbi korurero bichigo korumambi kya repetition yo mu agent omweshimwa kemosi ngochere mambi saa 3.
Nyaberi, I appear for the Honorable Steve Mugaka, and by last week of January 2023 everything will be closed. Everything, we intend that we have everything sorted out and finished so that we leave the judge to give a determination.
Erena bagendere tokore gasi ya West Mugrango abo wakiri ba embara na bakoendera na baruko gambe bina byabo buna amachika gendere.
Magaganyo muraibwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto gochore kamati eyue koringoria umurobero wa masomo OCBC litkuregoro nigo ekamati eyo yachagete emirimo yabo bene nabono nigo ababwatani korwase orogongo rwa Gusii ne county ya Kisii babere bawe sokya na kubwatuka ebirengerere byabo kubwatukana ningane yo bunatokumanyiwa no muri kyoito Josephat Amisi.
Nelituko elimolioka magega ye task force ya Nyarakoba korosiwa no muraibwense Dr. William Ruto eraje koligireria umurobelio omuya bwichisemi OCBC bono nigo ababwatani bechisemi banyarakoba bakubwatuka ebirengerero byabo asebo igo banyarakoba bagotogia umurobelio oyo omuya bwichisemi OCBC
OCBC una yachete nengiere asabana ikiarango ya toko batoko ke bintu biri okanyame batamaite kanyoro rumano tamaite osibinone kombe OCBC maybe to thousand number moko ko hygiene and nutrition oto atrenza meli washing utensils kanyoro rumano to rali bali okosibinga akakona ko baoroke kanyoro rumano manyire na bako develop interest yeli yotaka kumanya mono.
CBC tangu ije imetusaidia sana sisi kama walimu na pamoja na wanafunzi. Darasani wanafunzi wanachangamka kila tunapo interact nao.
nonye nabo nigo boigo ababwatani abwo bechisemi anena borokia banyara ko bagoteba umuroberi uyu nubwate amakongwaye korende asobwamo nigoranyara ko bagosegeta abana elinde banyara ko bagwetenera asobugima bwabo bole motwe.
Lakini rende challenge nshirororo monekera to wekera sakata resources na materials chobasoma ebichi yaba costly mono survival and they are expensive. For example, one of them kutumia digital literacy. Ese tutagete bintu muna chi laptop, chi tablet, ekobe challenge keroko nyoranga maybe mugwate yemu mugoshia tatabe ku grade 1 mpaka nonya grade 6. Ekobe challenge o kerto somi, kerto ikira sa digital literacy. Mode of maybe ranking. Hakuna competition kabisa. It makes a class to be less competitive because mtoto mwenye amepata 100% na huyo mwenye amepata 80%, they all exceed expectation. So ule mwenye amepata 80% siku gani ataona haja ya kusonga ili hadi afike hata 90. So hapo serikali inafaa kutazamia.
Boigo nigo baburirie serikali nyare ko bagegosonana na koenike nyare ko bagekoenana anene amaganio ao yera nyare ko bagakoganigwa asomoroberio oyo CBC.
Ndino nye CBC ekego itubu government wayari serikali yetu yari wancha ebintu bine bitoganeti provide egere CBC egere.
Kubatikana no mwalimu Nelson oyoro mwalimu mwanene bwe skuru ya St Francis Menyingwa nigatebire chisukuru kinyinga kya nyareko bakikoyaligania asomoroberio yo boigo serikali nyareko bagikoyo tuguterare nigo chisukuru kinyinga kira nyareko ba kigotwara obokongo kubatikana neni benene ya nyareko bagego tumeka asokoyaligania go kya asomoroberio yo
tax force naro tyo rositungoro twarote naibu wa rais atebetenga CBC no area amonento igwegento tokusabe task force erigere libuya kiagera bunantu twabere prepared net school tsinde twabere prepared ige task force tabadali baligere limuna bakunya accommodate talinga kunya rusioro erinde chi school tsiri twabere prepared samangana CBC nje basekonyora that blow inga CBC aruroro
boigo omwalimu Nelson nigatebire bune skuru mbagende tokoba kwenana amaigerio okia saba ibori elio kweneke banyare koba kubwaterana wancherana omoroberi oyo moyebwe chisemi.
Okay, twabere twala some class conference samangana CBC twatemere ko baeresa although mbabwene te konyoro ko semi zaidi ibora ya CBC igontoke ndrete konya ko basemi asamangana CBC.
Kuripoteri Ndizi TV Korwe County ya Kisii eliterana Josephat Hamisi.
Ekiombe getendereteri chiko imense ya Kenya, Society of Kenya, nigo kiamo mochirie omosoeri weri chiko noldin haj, asogo tukuterare bina bibwateranetie egatia bana siasa, anene ase amangana yobokurumigo kwana nabariki amangana miomochio Nairobi, nigo baganirie bine bio korigereria boya, nabo igo richiko ribwenerete kobwatigwa asaba Kenya bonsi.
When our police investigate cases, and they come and tell us that in that case we did not find sufficient evidence to prosecute, will we believe that they have actually conducted proper and thorough investigations if it turns out that these cases that they were taking to court, they were taking those cases to court for other purposes other than nabbing suspects of corruption? That is the that we face as a country. And so therefore it is incumbent upon the Director of Public Prosecutions to come out and explain to the country what is the reason that is motivating the withdrawal of these charges.
Na kubwatakana nobo saga ni obugenderete kweneki wa imeye county ya Baringo koirera abantu abange gusiria amagimabo nigo no bunyabyo butindi bogenderete ase county eyo kweneki abuna oburendi bwabere bogotingirwa kubwatakana no bunyabyo bwabeta bokorwa nigo chibunduki emeronke 32 chiabete chikobekwa byara nakorengana no county commissioner bwenseme yo Abdulsak Jaldesa nigatere na umuroberio yo nigo rengete kobaura abantu bali bwate chibunduki ere mamincha neri chiko asate babunegatiye chibunduki nigo chiri cyabere chiko ibwa kurwase abanyanyimbo ba GSU na watabuna umurobero no chikogenderera kweneki abuna oburendi bwaisaine bwabere bogotingirwa ase county eyo.
Kupitia AU kuna amnesty ya hawa wahalifu kurudisha bunduki bila kustakiwa kwa muda ya sasa miezi 4. Silaha zaidi ya 35 firearms already zimerudishwa kupitia ihari.
Several activities and actions have been done, and I can authoritatively report that we have corrected in excess of 57,000 firearms and about 400,000 ammunitions.
Omanchi omulire libona narayo nakwariganiritie SMS ya maye chinsa isato asenchira ereyo bwekera nungo wakira ngambia mono asogochora kubana inchi wiko moerio balibonse baba kuwatira na inchi kwene kiabuna mangana wikeire na barabuni gonko bakira ngambia mono yandra gotonyora ase